Anybody own more than 17 RVs? It is Joey with Sun Outdoors. We got to meet Judy and Carroll because they're on rig number 17.
Yeah, worked our way up to this one. Y'all come on in. So if y'all want to come back this way, this is the living room area. We've got 3 recliners. We have a dog, so we have a recliner in the middle for the dog.
You know what that means, right?
What?
Sunday football, Joey, Carroll, and Judy.
That's right. Yeah, so anyway, we can come on back here to the kitchen area. And as you can see, we got lots of space on the cabinets. We've got a microwave oven that is, the oven part is not used very often because I try not to catch the kitchen on fire or poison anybody. That's my theory on that. So we've got all kinds of storage. I don't know how many bathrooms you want to look at, but that's just the same as everybody else's. And then we've got a bedroom area back here, which is king size and also gives us room for the dog, and we've got a bed to pull out for him too. But he is guilty of sleeping on the end of our bed also.
What a good boy.
Okay,
Good
this
boy.
is Ocho, and he's our 8th grandchild.
Yeah,
That's the name.
yeah.
Don't take any offense to this, but you guys really do have similar hairstyles.
Well, it's pretty funny because they say you start looking like your dog. I just don't know why she started with a tail in.
And you know what else they say? That you're going to be sleeping on the couch?
That's right. And it's hard with just recliners.
Yeah.
You guys are actually from Texas, huh?
Yes, we came out here with 7 units, 7 RVs,
Wow.
and one of the people who owned an RV wanted in the club, we're in a club there in Texas, he wanted to come to Petoskey.
Wow.
So here we are.
Yeah, where we are today is 104 degrees. So, and it's expected to get to like 107 tomorrow. So I think
Wow.
we're sending notes back and forth, and we're getting ugly notes back and forth about being jealous about being in
Welcome
the
to
cool
Petoskey, Michigan.
country. Yeah.
How has it been so far?
Well, this is our first day and we're loving it. We're
Yeah.
loving every minute.
And we did have a couple more units join us, so we've got a total of 9 here, 9 units with all of us.
Tell me more about this group. So you got a group of 8 different couples riding out in their RVs?
Yes, yeah, and there's one couple who are 3rd generation. They have the 3rd generation camper. So this club has existed for nearly 40 years.
And they're called Western Wheelers, which kind of goes with Texas. So that's how this whole group has been. We camp out regularly as a group of about 20 rigs once a month, and regularly. And then all of us travel separately in different groups too.
Everybody watching is wondering, how did you two get to number 17 as far as rig number 17 in the RV world?
Well, that's over 38 years, and that's kind of an average of 2 years per rig. And we bought mostly used rigs. The first, at least the first 10 were all used, probably more than that. And so we moved up in size and in condition, and we see a rig we liked and we'd sell one and buy another one.
Well, what do you guys think? Thanks for the tour. How about we go enjoy some of that weather?
Oh, that sounds great. At least it's not that 103 to 107 degrees.
Let's go jump into the pool here at Sun Outdoors Petoskey. Hey, Carol, how about you put on the Speedo? Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Sheesh, 17 RVs for Judy and Carol. Do you got them beat? Comment below, how many RVs have you had in your lifetime using the hashtag MySunnier And maybe you want to be a part of the next RV Cribs, so click the link in the description and let us know where we should come next.